Jim, we got a great email question. It came in this week when we were kind of going over the show topic. This one was perfect. Came in from Callie. Callie said, my husband was badly burned last weekend using our gas grill. We swapped out the empty tank for a full one at the gas station. I do that all the time. He's sure something was wrong with the tank. What should we do? This is such a great question, and I think a lot of people can identify this one. Jim, what are your thoughts on this one?
I have a lot of experience in burn cases. They're some of the very worst cases to have burn injuries or horrific injuries.
Oh, yeah.
We've made great strides in this country. People are able to survive burns that only 20, 25 years ago would have killed most people. So first and foremost, I hope your husband's doing better. He's probably got a long road ahead of him, but our thoughts and prayers are with him. So let's talk about
what do you do?
What needs to be done. These types of cases, more than most any other type of case, it's critical that the equipment that is involved that may have caused the fire is preserved and handled properly. We have to prepare what's called a chain of custody, because it'll become very important if a valve malfunctioned, if a tank malfunctioned, if a hose malfunctioned, that those parts are preserved as much as possible so they're in the condition that they were at the time that the explosion occurred.
Gotcha.
This is very tricky, and this is one reason you need a lawyer involved early. Most of the time, if this happened in a cosmopolitan area, a city,
right?
They have investigators who know how to do this, and they preserve the evidence. If you're out in a more rural area,
yeah,
where they're not maybe as experienced,
might be on you.
Right.
Okay.
You got to be very, very careful with it, though. Okay. So I would seek representation right away. We can talk to you. Others can talk to you about this Monday morning. But you need somebody first and foremost. Make sure that equipment's preserved, every piece that everybody can find, and it's documented as early as absolutely possible.
So save that gas tank, save that grill, hold on to all of it.
Every piece that survived the fire, it needs to be documented, preserved, and held until it can be tested.
All right, and you're right, burn cases are just so terrible, and they can just last for so long. It's just
so painful.
Callie, thank you so much for the email question. It was a great one. I knew
Good luck, Kelly.
Yeah, as soon as we saw that one come through, I thought that would be great. If you ever want to email, it's so easy, rmlawcall.com. You can just go to the guy's website page. There's a couple different ways to do it. Just hit us. We'd love to have you. Just put it on the Google machine, and it'll take good care of you from that.